What's up, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2010 Acura TSX. So on the passenger side, you want to come over here, open up the glove box. I always take everything out of the glove box just so it doesn't, make the box heavier. Actually, this one doesn't even drop down. But anyway, basically, you want to take this little clip out right here. This just slides right on out of there. Once you get that out of the way, you got this cover right here that has a locking tab over here and another locking tab over here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. Okay, see, get that right. Okay, so you basically just squeeze the locking tabs and pull towards U, which is forward, and then you'll see that this drops down. After you pull the locking tabs, this drops down. You can pull that out of here. It has those little slots that it sits in. So I'll move that out of the way. Then next is the actual cabin filter cover. You have a locking tab over here and a locking tab over here. You got to do the same thing. You're going to need two hands for that. Let's rest this right here. Don't fall on me. Okay, so you just squeeze those locking tabs together and you pull that out. And after you squeeze those locking tabs, this is a cage and it slides right on out of there. Now after that comes out, you want to just take this and pull this out of the cage. Now you're going to want to install the same way you pulled that one out. So always line them up, make sure they're the same. And then just install that in the cabin filter cage like so. Then you just take this. Why did I shut the glove box? You just take this and you slide that right back in the slot. That's gonna lock and that's gonna lock. Then you take that, you take these little locking tabs and you fit those into place, and that locks. And then you take your little stand and you install that. After you install that stand, that's it. You throw the stuff back in the glove box. The owner's manual, the #1 unread book in the world. Nobody reads their owner's manual. You really should. Take that, you put that in, and there you go. And that's how you do a cabin filter on a 2010 Acura TSX. And that's a under 3-minute process. If you're not recording and trying to, situate the phone so you can use both hands, you could probably do it in 2 minutes. But if I helped you guys out, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you.